Welcome to Jams, a channel dedicated to BMW enthusiasts. Here, we show you how to maintain and repair your BMW yourself. In this video, this time we have a BMW X3 F25, but the repair method applies to many BMW models. Here is the noise produced by the steering rack in this type of defect. I will begin by removing the protective shields. To obtain the necessary space for the repair, it is necessary to disconnect all the electrical connections of the steering rack. It is necessary to remove this component in order to carry out the repair. The steering rack repair kit has the following part number: 32.10.6.891. 974. Inside the repair kit, we find all the necessary components. The main element differs from the original factory installed component of the steering rack. Use the special tool to remove the cap. Remove the internal parts. Install the new central element, but first apply grease to all moving friction surfaces. Reassemble everything, secure the cap, then tighten the assembly close to the specified torque. Tighten the cap using a torque wrench to 70 Newton meters. Turn the steering wheel fully from left to right 4 times. To make steering easier, I recommend lifting the car until the wheels no longer touch the ground. Lift the car again to gain easier access. Using a permanent marker, make a mark on the steering rack housing and on the cap in their current position. Then make another mark only on the steering rack housing at an imaginary 90-degree angle from the center of the circle. Use the special tool and loosen the cap until the mark on the cap aligns with the second mark on the steering rack housing. Now you can check whether the noise has disappeared after the repair. As you can hear, the noise is no longer present, which means the repair was successful. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back soon with more interesting videos. To make sure you don't miss more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.